Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 3 and number 3 we can do about factorization. Next, we have the formula in here. So capital A, that is about s minus y. Capital B, that is about s. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So that should be like this. So s minus s we cancel. Next, y divided by y we cancel. Now we just have negative number 3 in here. Y approach to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here and here. So this one, if we simplify and we have negative number 3, s square, and s square, we have 3s square, and we have negative number 9 s square. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.